Hi everyone, this is Susie. Just a little update on my Mandevilla flowers I put in the spring. I'll have another video down from before when I first put them in. A lot of vines grew. And I got a little visitor down here. I can see him. Little lizard. They change colors. He's green like the plant. And we got some flowers up here. A lot of vines grew from this Mandevilla. A lot of vines. All up in there. I wrapped it around this pole. Hi there, lizard. Some more coming out. There's some more buds here. And I put another one over here, red one. Some pretty flowers there. Some flowers there. This got pretty big. I'll probably be cutting all the vines down before the winter so it can grow again next year. Basically, it just needs a lot of sun. Also, the hummingbirds love these flowers also, and they've been coming around a lot. This one. And I have some over here. I hung some pots from this pole here. Got some more red ones. Red ones here. And the vines are growing way out here. This is a white one. It's not flowering right now, but the red one is a lot. And they just like a lot of sun and water. And they grow. They're pretty strong because we had a lot of storms and a lot of heat this year. A lot of my other stuff got sort of ruined out here. But these are pretty strong. They handled it pretty well. Okay. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. And I'll put a link below to the other video when I first put these in. My other ones. Bye-bye for now.